Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Google Pixel 8, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items without any tools. So to clean your USB-C port, first of course you need to take the cover off if you have the cover, and I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. Toothbrush is a very great tool to clean your USB port. So just clean your USB port, it's very easy. You just need to insert one part of the toothbrush inside the port and gently brush out the dirt. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.